So, hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! So, for today's video guys is since nag-aantay tayo na mga ipapalabas and kakapanood lang natin ng episode ng Denied Love. Then, next Thursday yung episode 9. So, like, hindi nyo ba minamadali yung ano? Ito episode 9 lang eh. Pagkakatanda ko, total episode nun is 10. So, paano naging 9 yun? Ano yun? Ano mangyayari dun? For today's video is magre-react tayo sa mga edits. And hindi ako pumili ng mga ng mga video na to. I have my friend na sabi ko, gagawa ko ng video, then magre-react ako like sa mga edits na So, let's get straight at it. Song Sam
ยาซักอยากให้ต้องบังคับ
Jen Long
บังคับเหรอบังคับยังไงอ่ะ ใช้ปากป้องอ่ะ อย่าท้านะถ้าทำอยู่ คนอย่างเกณฑ์ไม่กล้าหรอก
Oh my god. Sabi yun, like, ayaw ni, spoilers alert ayaw ni Jenlong na, hinahamon siya ng ganon. Alam ni Owie ang kanyang ginagawa, so, gusto niya rin gano'n yun. Huwag siya alay. This one.
So Sigma and
Oh. Oh. Ang cute. Ang cute na Ang cute. Ang cute ni Dokrak. Like guys, yung Us, yun lang yung series na talaga like parang chill vibes lang yung niya, yung ambience ng series, like the whole ang aesthetic ganon. Walang dyan walang like below the belt na red flags o ganon. Like normal lang na normal like slow burn na RS, and I really love as the series. So next one, I want to become an athlete but I gave up it because of my Ba't nyo ginaganyan si Emmy? Grabe kayo. May nakita din ako gantong edit kasi kay Love like I want to be a dancer someday, but yung ganang career, tapos kayo ay naasar niyo si Love. Next one, gabi na pinasasyan sa akin ng kaibigan ko. Uranus. Spoiler alert. Grabe ito. Grabe. Alam nyo, yung Uranus, like, ilang beses ko siya pinanood, like, 6 times, or more than 6 ko siya pinaulit-ulit. Hindi yung isang araw, like, another day, another month, another week. Nire-rewatch ko talaga yung Uranus, and, hindi ko siya magets yung flow. Then, nung last na pinanood ko na, ayun, na-realize ko na lahat-lahat. Kaya, one is not enough. Para maintindihan mo yung story, kung manonood ka ng Uranus. Like, ang ganda. Solid. Kasi open ending yung sinasabi nila open ending yung Uranus. And madaming hindi naiintindihan yung story. So, rewatch nyo lang ng rewatch. Yan, tips ko yan sa inyo. Rewatch nyo lang siya ng rewatch para maintindihan nyo yung flow ng story. Next one. Meron siyang healthy coping mechanism. Tapos, walang red flags. Pagdating, pag sasaktan, ganyan. Sirin lang talaga yung red flag eh. Like, oo, sirin lang. Malay mo, coping mechanism niya, pag nasasaktan siya, umiinom siya ng gatas instead na alcohols. Galing, diba? Next one. Reverse for me. Oh. Clow-kun and Dokrak. Same sila sinasampal ng tatay nila. Grabe. Watch niyo, maganda yung reverse. Reverse with me and reverse for you. Like, kung gusto niyo yung mga sci-fi na na drama with actions, watch niyo yung dalawang yon. Pero watch niyo muna yung sabi daw nila, watch niyo muna yung reverse for you and bago yung reverse with me. Pero sa akin kasi una ko pinod reverse with me. Okay lang naman. Kung ano yung bet niyo. Go lang. Next one.
Manuti.
Paano tayo uusad niyan? Sabihin niyo nga sa akin. Tantanan niyo ko. Hindi ako natutuwa. Guys, let's be happy sa yung mga new on-screen partners nila, okay? Don't bash them. Just support them both. Period. Next one.
เห็นหน้าแม่วันนี้เลย
Same pa.
Hanggang pa. Homesick up.
Wait lang. Ano nyo ba? Si Ingfa lang yung, may sobrang tapang na magaganyan sa, sa mga video, sa mga, like, lalabas niya talaga yung side niya na ganun. And I really love that. And some people, hini-hate niya si Ingfa. Kasi ganun siya. Hindi niya lang gets yung humor niya, kaya ganun. Just be yourself. Walang masama dun. Sabi sa inyo. Super tapang na babaeng to. hindi kaya yun ng ibang GL actresses. Grabe. Kaya niya yan? Mag middle finger sa sa public na may mga cameras and everything. Hindi.
Supposed post pass by. This one must be Marsa. This was West Coast
Matapos
Coast, right?
wala ko lang.
Like the end, there's a crazy thing. Ting 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 tang tang ting 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 tang ting tang tang tang.
Sabi sa inyo, mahalin niyo tong babaeng to. Like, nilalabas niya ang kanyang true self. Next one. Grabe, di talaga pinalagpas ng kaibigan ko. Mi tai nè. Grabe. Hindi ko inaan. Grabe. Grabe si Bonnie nung fan fest. Kasi pinanood ko yun. And, kuhang-kuha niya ako dito. Like, next one.
ไปเลยว่า เราเป็นแฟนกันเราเป็นแฟนกัน จะหาใช่ไหม
Mm. Kung gusto niyo ng healthy relationship at tumibok ang inyong heart, magmahal kayo ng taong competitive, tas hamunin nyo ng ganon. Ewan ko lang kung hindi ka manigas sa clique. At yes, I just know that Harmony Secret will be the death of me. Like, for real. Ilabas nyo na yan. Ang tagal na. Kakaroon na ng pasok ang taong ini, hindi nyo pa nilalabas ang episode 1. Nabasa ko yung novel ng Harmony Secret. Kasi hindi talaga makapag-antay. Hindi ako mapakali na mag-antay ng episode 1. So, binasa ko sa novel, pero hindi ko pa natatapos. Pero, maganda siya, like, so fair. And, nakikita ko naman sa pilot, like, not bad. It's a 10-10, yeah. Next one!
หรือว่า สเปคสูงเองหรือเปล่า
Ing pa.
จริงๆสูงกว่าพาโอเคหมดแหละ
Oh. Like, sa sa clip yun from Bad Buddy. Kung alam niyo yun, yung Bad Buddy na series siya, like BL series. Like, after ko ma-watch yung after ko ma-watch yung 23.5, hinanap ko talaga sila kung saan sila lalabas tong dalawang couple na to. And ganun din ginawa ko sa View June, sa sa Namtan Film. Hinanap ko talaga sila like sa ibang series. Yung hindi yung main characters ng BL yung inaabangan mo, yung mga sub-couple. 10 Years Ticket, Ploy's Yearbook, eto Bad Buddy, tapos Dangerous Romance, tapos High School Frenemy, mga ganun doon sila lumalabas. And hindi yung mga main cast yung pinapanood ko. Yung mga sub. Like, Okay, next one.
อย่างสีเหลือง yellow
Hello!
yellow
Grabe, ang cute na Amy, no? Like grabe yung isip ng Amy Bonnie nung drawing nila si Amy. Like, sana gumawa si GMMTV ng mga figurines, yung mga maliliit, tas may iba-iba siya. Like, parang Hirono, mga ganun. Tas mga Sony Angel na collectibles. Promise. Mga merch, gano'n na maliliit. Promise. Yan, magiging mabenta talaga yan. Parang magiging Hirono siya, kaliit, gano'n. Tas may iba-iba yung outfit, mga gano'n. Next one. Treasure. Wait. Biggest Hear Me Out. Yung style, yung hairstyle ni Charlotte sa era ng Petrichor. Like, napanood ko lahat ng series ng Englot. Pero sa Petrichor, doon lang ako na kay Charlotte. Like, yung hairstyle niya, bagay sa kanya yung short hair, tapos yung ganong aura pa ng niya, ng character niya, like one of the best era ni Charlotte yun, yung character niya na gumanap siya ng run sa Petrichor, like super pretty.
都ไม่รู้ว่าจะไปหมอให้ต้องจับเลย
Hindi, ang ganda niya.
เป็ดได้เนี่ยก็สวยก็ดีเอาไปเถอะแต่ต้นสวย
And wait, hindi siya wig, guys. Hindi to siya wig. Like, real hair ni Charlotte. Then, kinat niya talaga para sa series na to. Like, bagay sa kanya, be. Bagay na bagay sa kanya.
Parang wasun king kisut.พูดกับตัวเองนะครับสารวัตร
Ang cute nilang dalawa. And, panoorin nyo na yung Petrichor. Like, one of the best. Chef kiss yan para sa akin yung Petrichor. Kasi, grabe ang plot twist. Grabe din ang story. Grabe din ang acting na yung cast. So, you better watch it out. Next one! Boom! Imagine, Tan Nam's position. Well, relate ako kay sa character ni June sa Whalestar XOXO, then Mew, kasi I've been there before, like sa ex ko, yung past RS ko, like wait lang, sa past RS ko, ganyan yung parang sa kanila yung para sa kanila yung sitwasyon namin, and hindi kami low-key, private kami, and grabe yung frustration, yung pag nasa ganun kang RS, patago kayo, and mahirap siya talaga. So, I'm rooting for these two characters, some upcoming pang episodes ng Whalestar XOXO, like relate ang mga bading na may mga strict parents. Huy! Next one. Manot! 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 Yung era na yun ni Vio, yung sa As, top 1 din sa akin. Like, naka ano siya, like, parang, naka formal, semi-formal siya na, naka blazers, then, yung inside niya is naka ano lang siya. Tapos, gano'n pa yung ayos ng bukli. Tapos, ako lang ba, like, di ba, mga napanood nyo na yung 23.5, yung tilt. Like, ako lang ba, like, every time na pag sa mga ibang dramas na nandoon si View, like, every time na nagsasalita siya, yung acting niya, parang nakikita natin pa rin sa kanya si Balot. Like, parang si Aileen pa rin siya kung magsalita and mag-act. Siguro, ganun talaga pag super galing talaga nung uma-acting eh. Like, nadadala talaga eh. Yung kahit sa Pluto, si film, nag-act siya doon na bulag. Like, kahit nasa ibang series na siya na pinapanood ko, iniisip ko, bulag pa rin siya. Like, grabe. The actress is literally acting. Huh? Hoy! Next one.
You tricked me into loving you.
Do you think I wanted to love you?
Sabi ko lang, di ba?
It was. Don't you suppose that every hour we were together I was thinking she's just pretending? I want you. Because you brought something to my days I couldn't stand the thought of losing.
Pluto, Chef Kiss. Like, grabe yung plot nito. Literally na nagtutwist. Huy! OA naman. Grabe, like, all this time, aware si yung character ni film. Aware siya sa nangyayari. Like, grabe yun. Isipin mo na lang yung pagmamanipulate nila sa isa't isa. Tapos to si Namtan, like, yung character ni Namtan, wala din siyang alam. Na-aware yung partner niya na nakakakita na pala. Grabe. Watch nyo na yan, ha? Watch nyo na. Sakam na naman. Cute talaga ng character ni na-enjoy. Na-enjoy niya lang talaga. Ikaw pa naman, dilaan mo yung ex ng ng jowa mo. Sana kaya ko din yun, no? Eme. Hindi tayo ganun. Next one. Oh. Grabe to, grabe. Oh, yung reverse for you. Na-watch ko na to eh. Nakita ko na dito sa Talk Tick. Ang galing talaga. Super. Reverse for you. Masterpiece talaga na story yan. Like, super ganda niya. And literal na, what are you willing to do? Paano kaya pag like, like, extra, like, may magtatanong, like, ano yung ng jowa mo? Like, ano yung kayang gawin sa'yo ng jowa mo? Like, para lang sa'yo, ano yung kaya niyang gawin? Kaya niyang balikin yung oras para sa talaga naman. Delulo ka. Tantanan. Grabe naman. Next one.
องศาทำแบบนี้เพื่ออะไรอะ
ทำอะไรเหรอ
องศาคิดว่าเราไม่เห็นจริงๆใช่ปะที่องศาขึ้นไปบนดาดฟ้า
โลกนี้ไม่มีพระอาทิตย์มันอยู่ไม่ได้นะรู้ไหม
Cute.
เฮ้ยองศาแกเป็นไรปะเนี่ยเป็นคนที่สวยไปแล้วพี่ออกมา
Oh. Si Manut.
ตอนนี้เราอยู่แค่ซันเดียวแล้วอะอย่างน้อยๆยืนให้ซันนี่เห็นก็ยังดี
How cute.
แล้วไหนจะส่งข้อความมาตั้ง768ข้อความ
ซันนับด้วยเหรอ
Yung picture sa dulo. Grabe. Alam nyo ba, dati, like, hindi ko pa napapanood yung 23.5. Nag-aalangan pa ako siya kung papanoorin ko ba yung hindi. Kasi, based sa cover, like, walang trailer, walang pilot, hindi ko pinanood. Like, di, yung, alam ko, Holy Week to, kasagsagan ng Holy Week. Hindi talaga ako nag-open ng Talktik, no? Kasi sabi ko, ayoko ma-spoil. Papanoorin ko silang lahat. Grabe, di ba? Holy Week na Holy Week. Sorry po. School vibe siya. Like, parang siguro ang nasa isip ko nun ang flow lang is crush. Tapos, like, typical na flow lang na like, bulok na sa industry ng mga movie, mga series, like crush, magiging sila, tapos magkakaroon ng isang conflict, ganon. Pero nung winatch ko, iba. Maganda siya. Watch niya na. Next one. Bonnie, ba't mo ako tinitignan ng ganyan? Yung magka-video kay ni Bonnie, tapos lagyan mo lang dyan yung cellphone mo, tapos tignan mo niya gano'n, ay! Di lolo ka. Di ka gaganyan. Di lolo ka. Next one. Hope you have Namtan in your life. Ang cute. Ano ka Namtan? Di. Dapat, ba't nyo pinupusto sa Talktik? Dapat send nyo lang to kay Finn. Siya ang, nakakaalam. Next one.
She was a fairy.
Ganyan yung si Sonia. Next one.
They think I'm funky. My name is Modem.
Mado.
Say it again.
Ba't na yung ganyan? Apakan nyo. Akala ko ba happy tayo dito? Ano naman kayo manakit? Grabe naman na, nanakit kayo. Next one.
จมูกบาน
ก็อยากเป็นเดิน
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
ชีวิตฉันมีเธอ
They are not just an actress. They are also a comedy actresses. Next one. Reverse with me. Boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. Grabe. Boom shakalaka. Every time na nakakakita ko ng edit kay Karan, yung audio talaga niya, boom shakalaka. Pogi. Yung inutosan ka na na bumili ng yelo, tapos ano nangyari? Presinta ang gaga na mag-install ng CCTV. Tapos nagaganon-ganon siya sa CCTV. Balik mo yung inutos sa'yo na yelo. Wala, hindi mo lang inuuna mo ang Next one.
In another life, maybe it was you and me. Maybe there we loved each other and we were happy together. Maybe in that life we all the things we said we would.
Grabe. Kamove on na ako, guys. Like, tinanggap ko na they're just actresses. Ganyan. Pero, sana, pag-work sila ulit. Like, nakamove on na, pero umaas eh. Support niya pa rin sila po. Like, yun yung sila ibabash. Next one. Ang dami naman na ito pinagdaan. Sige, go. Kung iisipin nyo na yung character ni Grace is red flag sa whole series, kakamali kayo. Like, literal na what are you willing to do din tong tao na to? Tapos ginaganyan. Ay nako, ba't di ba kayo nag-i-exist in real life? Hoy, hindi gaganon. With the front door. Grabe. Favorite ko to. Like, saan nyo to kinuha? I-repost ko sa Toktik to. Watch yun na yung affair. Mga underrated yun na, na series. Watch nyo. Next one. Wait, Migbansa Aswan. Grabe. Literal na nag-glow up talaga yung character niya na from dugyutin student na nerd na loser, biglang ganon corporate matured as na wala na and that's it. Grabe, ang bilis. Ngayon, ang bilis naman. Kanina, nagre-reklamo ka na ang dami. Ngayon, ang bilis. Grabe. Hanapin ko to sa Toktik. Sabihin ko yung, pahinga ng link. I-repost ko sa Toktik. Anyway guys, ito yung account ko sa Toktik. If want nyo i-follow, sige follow nyo. Ano na, nagpo-post lang ako dyan ng mga dance ano ko dyan, mga naga-tear strap siya dyan, tapos naga-repost din siya dyan. Sige na, follow nyo na lang. And that's for today's video guys. I hope you like it. Huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para gumawa pa ako ng ganito. Like, if want nyo, sige, comment down below. Like, di ba? Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video.